Hey future ophthalmologist! We know that juggling between clinical rounds and exam prep is stressful. Keeping up with recent developments in the field can be frustrating. Having visualized hurdles in your learning, we have come up with the perfect solution so that you don't lose sight of your professional goals. Ophthalmology MD, a comprehensive course designed by Dr. N. Venkatesh Prajna and 55 eminent faculties. Now empower your learning with a comprehensive approach and unparalleled array of features. Access interactive video lectures along with well-illustrated lecture notes that serve as a ready reckoner in your prep. Examination Corner, comprising OSCEs, FAQs, Q&As, along with tips and tricks to enhance your exam readiness. Dr. Vai's AI Chatbot, that provides references from authentic published resources, helping you to gain clarity on your doubts instantly. Benchmark Trials, to help you stay abreast with latest developments in the field. DxTx, a multifaceted tool to explore critical information in a click. Interactive Drug Formulary, to help you upskill your prescription aptitude. MCQs, for identifying pain areas and self-assessment. Regular chat shows, to engage with mentors and gain a broader insight. Not just this, get exam-focused printed notes to ace your prep. So, are you ready to take your learning to the next level? Subscribe to Ophthalmology MD now.